a look at that. But on page 4 of the paper, there's been a lot of talk of police brutality and really the legitimacy of the police that we've seen on the streets quelling demonstrations. And it says here, police disown dreadlocked shooter. An interesting story there as questions emerged as to who exactly is behind the killings of an anti-IEBC protester, as opposition leaders allege there are 3 illegal gangs in uniform.
Absolutely, and the police coming out to deny that. And of course, one of the incidents that stands out is this of this young girl here, the 12-year-old girl who was caught by a stray bullet as she was...
she's actually 2 years old.
2 years old, sorry, as she was playing, which is really, really sad.
Absolutely.
We also have another student, apparently, who allegedly, rather, was killed in Kisumu, I believe it was. But the police coming out to deny and say that that was not their policeman who had that. So the question, of course, remains, who would this be?
Do
we have thugs who are masquerading as police?
Why do we have
are
there investigations taking place as to who these people were? So a lot really to question the police service for, in terms of other than just distancing themselves from these allegations. What have they done to try answer these questions, in a more definitive way?
Yes, and of course we'll be following this up. And remember, we also have IPOA, who have quite a number of cases on their desks, who are supposed to be investigating police brutality and excessive use of force. But so far, we have not had anything concrete that has come from IPOA that one can say that they are actually working, but that remains to be seen. I mean, a girl of this age, 2-year-old, who was innocent, playing and just being a child, being caught up in this is extremely, extremely sad and unacceptable. Completely unacceptable.
Very sad, but to the big story that seems to be making headlines.